Do I hear wedding bells? Beauty expert and makeup artist to the stars, Candace Corey is here to show us some great products for the bride-to-be to make her shine on her big day, and not only for the bride, but for the whole bridal party. Candace Corey, thanks for coming in.
Thanks for having me, and I'm also now the guest beauty director for Uptown Weddings and Travel.
Ooh.
So I get to talk even more. Hey,
way to go.
Yeah.
Well. All right, well, let's talk about this amazing berry, acai. Am I saying that right?
You're saying it right.
Okay,
acai
good.
berry, right. Then the reason why I brought the acai berry juice is because of the fact acai is the Brazilian beauty juice, so it's great to support good skincare, hair, nails, everything you need as a bride. And this one I ran to Walmart and I picked this up. This one's by Genesis Today, and it has 1,600 milligrams of the acai juice in it, but it also has 500% of vitamin B12, so it gives you the extra energy that as a bride you definitely need.
And as a host of Daytime as well. I should start my day with that.
Now, what I like about this also is the fact that it is easy to find. You can get it at Walmart and Sam's. I didn't say Sam's, so either one is fine that you can get it.
Okay, now let's talk about anti-aging. If you're over 25, it's time to start, right?
Right. A lot of times people ask me as a makeup artist, what do I need to do for beautiful skin? And it all starts with skincare. So hydrate. And as a bride, you're kind of stressed out, so make sure you use a serum. The one that I brought is by Neutrogena, and Neutrogena. And Neutrogena actually is like the first skincare brand to actually bring retinol-based products to the U.S. mass retailers back in 1996. So they have a great line right now. This one is the Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair, or you can use the Rapid Wrinkle Repair. And I brought a moisturizer which has SPF 30.
So use that every day.
Every day. Okay. And a serum. Now people ask what's the difference between the two. Think of a moisturizer as your food. Use it all the time.
Okay.
And your serum as your booster. So kind of like your vitamins. So with all the stresses you're going through as a bride, definitely piggyback it with a serum so your skin looks great. Now, what I love about their retinol is the fact they have an accelerated retinol assay technology, which uses a mixture of glucose complex as well as a hyaluronic acid. So it doesn't irritate the skin, so you can use it daily, and you get like quick results. So you'll see results in a week.
Oh, good. My skin needs a boost. I need to get some of that. I need some serum. Now, let's talk about a white smile, because that's very important. These pictures from your wedding day are going to last forever.
Right, and a white smile is good for the whole party, not just the bride.
That's right.
Now, what's fabulous is the one that I brought is Crest 3D White Strips 1 Hour Express. Now, the reason why I brought it is that if your wedding party hasn't been updating their teeth and make it nice and bright, and they've been drinking red wine and they have years of stain, you can actually, it delivers like a noticeably whiter teeth after one use in 1 hour, 1 hour treatment. So you're gonna get a nice white smile, and you can just, while everybody's getting ready, pass them out.
Yeah.
Have them throw it on, and by the time they're dressed and prepared, their teeth are fantastic and they're ready for pictures.
Isn't that great?
Yeah.
You can multitask, get those teeth whiter. That's for everyone.
And it's not uncomfortable.
No?
I've tried it.
They're not sliding around?
No, they're not sliding around. They're nice and comfortable.
Good. Now, Dermablend is a company that's been around for a long, long time.
It has been around for years, and because they're around for years, they actually updated their formula. What I brought is their Dermablend leg and body cover, and a lot of times you have tattoos, you have bruises, if you have like veins you want to cover up, you don't want people to see, you can actually fake it. They have 14 different shades, and you can mix it if you need to. It's lightweight, you get full coverage, but it's lightweight, so you don't feel heavy or greasy.
Good.
But you need to make sure that you set it with your special setting powder. It looks white, but it's actually clear.
Oh.
And I've used this on different skin tones. Actually, I used it in a photo shoot last week, and it doesn't show up at all. What it does is that it locks it in place, but it also makes the foundation waterproof.
Oh, wow. So when all those tears are coming down, you don't have to worry about the streaks.
But if you want to go on the beach, your lace can look sexy too, and nobody has to see your boo-boos that you want them to see as well.
Now, you mentioned this was leg and body covers. Right. So, and really for a tattoo, because that can be pretty vibrant.
Right. It gives you full coverage without the heavy, goopy feel, and it also has an SPF 15, so you get protection as well.
Oh, good. Right. Do they make it for the face too?
Yes, they do. They have all kinds of foundations and concealers, so I like to use it a lot of times, especially if I'm doing photo shoots. So while you're getting your pictures done, make your skin look fabulous, use the Dermablend.
And tell us about your website really quickly.
Make sure you go to CandaceCorey.com. I do tutorials on there. I give you more tips on a regular basis, and sometimes I give away free beauty goodies. Just stay tuned.
We like the sound of that.
Yeah.
Candace Corey, always good to see you. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
We'll be right back with more Daytime, so don't go away.